Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I really wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Street Fashion, the another amazing, beautiful video collection. The yellow decoration idea for your haldi and your for mayu. Different type of beautiful decoration ideas you guys will watch from my this video collection all our latest trendy and beautiful ideas of decoration, which is yellow attractive beautiful flower decoration, the backdrops designs, how you guys will celebrate your occasion with this type of beautiful decoration, all type of beautiful ideas I just bring for you, trendy theme decoration ideas. So my dear viewers, easily you guys will decorate it in your living area, in your garden area, in your terrace, in so really amazing and beautiful designs of decoration with flower with different type of beautiful collection, which is so amazing and latest. So watch the video till the end. You will definitely love this video collection which I bring for you. So dear viewers, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, watching the video first time, so please do click the subscribe button, the bell icon too, so you guys will never miss any video and collection. Easily you guys will watch the all videos just through the notification. Different types, designs and ideas of decoration for every type of events and occasion you guys will get from my channel, from my video. So watch my every video and ideas which I bring for you, and share with me your reviews, your positive feedback must in the comment section, so it will be really helpful for me and motivate me as well to bring more amazing collection for you guys in my next upcoming video. So what you guys want to watch in my next upcoming video, share with me that as well. Thank you for watching my this video.